Scientists often define energy as the ability to do work. Some of the most important advancements in modern society have centered on changing energy from one form to another form that can more easily perform work. We have learned to transform energy to move cars on the highways, light our cities at night, and even send rockets into space. And there are many different forms of energy, including heat, light, electrical, mechanical, chemical, and gravitational energy. But all forms of energy can be classified into two general groups: potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is the stored energy that an object has due to its position relative to other objects. A child at the top of a slide, a roller coaster at the top of a hill, and a stretch bow are all loaded with potential energy. Kinetic energy is the energy that an object or particle possesses due to its motion. Falling water, flying frisbees, and kick balls all possess lots of kinetic energy. Energy allows us to do hundreds of important things, but to be able to use it efficiently, we often have to transform it from one form to another. And thanks to some excellent engineering, we now have flashlights that convert chemical energy into light energy, solar panels that convert radiant energy into electricity, wind turbines that turn wind energy into electricity, and thank goodness, TVs that convert electrical energy into sound and light energy. As it turns out, there are lots of different recipes that can be concocted to produce light energy. For example, as electrical energy travels through the filaments of a light bulb, the resistance it encounters causes most of it to be converted into light energy. And as combustion reactions burn intensely, lots of light is emitted. But one super interesting example of this is transforming potential energy stored in chemical bonds into light energy without the heat and byproducts of a combustion reaction. In such cases, three chemicals are usually added together: two that react to produce energy, and a third that is excited by this energy to release lots and lots of light. This phenomenon is called chemiluminescence. And it is one amazing reaction. And yes, you've seen this before because it's the same reaction used in glow sticks and glow necklaces. And it's also basically the same reaction that occurs in fireflies, jellyfish, and glowworms. So both man and nature have developed some amazing recipes for light.